Today I am reviewing Beelink SER8 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Beelink SER8 Mini PC is one of the most powerful and versatile mini desktops on the market in 2025. Don't let its compact size fool you. This mini PC is a true powerhouse, designed to handle everything from professional office tasks and multimedia editing to high-end gaming. At its core, the SER8 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 780-745HS processor, which is based on TSMC's advanced 4nm process technology. This processor packs 8 cores and 16 threads, offering a base speed of 3.8 GHz and turbo boost of up to 4.9 GHz. That means you get lightning-fast performance for multitasking, creative software, and even AAA gaming titles. One of the standout features of the Beelink SER8 is its integrated AMD Radeon 780M graphics, which is capable of running games like League of Legends, PUBG, and other popular titles at impressive frame rates. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on graphic-intensive software like Photoshop or Premiere Pro, this mini PC provides smooth, responsive performance. And thanks to its 4K triple display support, you can connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously through HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB 4, improving productivity for work or immersive gaming setups. The memory and storage on the SER8 are equally impressive. Out of the box, it comes with 32GB DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz and a 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD. Both are upgradable, with RAM expandable up to 256 GB and SSD capacity up to 8 TB. This ensures that even power users and professionals handling large datasets or media files won't face any slowdown. The PCIe 4.0 SSD delivers blazing fast read and write speeds, which means applications and games load almost instantly, saving you time and increasing efficiency. Connectivity is another strong suit for this mini PC. With 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, you get stable and high-speed internet connections for work, gaming, and streaming. USB 4 support also allows for up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer and 100 W power delivery, which is perfect for external devices like high-speed drives or monitors. One of the things that users love about the SER8 is its quiet and efficient cooling system. Beelink's MSC 2.0 design, combined with a silent fan, SSD heatsink, and dust-proof metal mesh, ensures that the mini PC runs quietly at just 32 dB, even under load. This makes it ideal for nighttime work or a quiet office environment. The build quality of the SER8 is excellent. Its compact design is sturdy and portable, allowing you to easily place it in any workspace without taking up too much room. Despite its small footprint, it packs full functionality for office, gaming, home, or creative use, making it a highly versatile option. In addition, Beelink provides lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind for all users. From setup assistance to troubleshooting, the company is ready to help. Certifications like CE, EMC, FCC, and ROSE add credibility and safety assurance. In conclusion, the Beelink SER8 Mini PC is a perfect choice for anyone looking for a compact, high-performance computer that doesn't compromise on speed, graphics, or connectivity. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a professional who needs a powerful desktop in a small form factor, this mini PC has everything you need to work efficiently and play without limits. With its AMD Ryzen 7 processor, Radeon 780M graphics, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, triple 4K display support, and silent operation, the Beelink SER8 truly redefines what a mini PC can do. For anyone looking for a reliable, future-proof, and powerful compact desktop, the SER8 is hard to beat.